All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now we do have film starting right here, protecting that little edge, the full front bumper. And then you're gonna have film on this little piece here, protecting it. And then down this lower rocker, you're gonna have film down there. And then on this little section as well, and the door edge and the side mirrors. Here on this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. You're gonna have some light swirls from just everyday washing, little things like that, all very subtle. That side mirror's in great condition. Here on the door, that looks really nice. That's clean. Look at the carbon in here, beautiful. That looks good. That wheel looks nice. You also have film on that little edge. And then you have this like metallic black here. That looks really, really good. The carbon on here is beautiful. The weave looks really nice. That's all in great condition. And then you have film on it, protecting it as well. Little spot there. No film on the headlights. Look at that carbon. Beautiful, beautiful carbon. Front end is really nice. Let's get down low, check her out. Very light rash here that's been touched up a little bit there. You have some rash here. Looks like it's kind of all the way around. It's pretty subtle though. Of course, I'm on the ground seeing that. You won't see that just walking around the car. That fender looks nice. I do see some chipping in there, really deep in that, but you're not going to see it just walking around. Lower section looks good. Mirrors clean. Oh, that looks really nice. This car's so beautiful. That looks good. Quarter panel's clean. Wheels in great condition. And you got carbon here. That's beautiful. All of that looks good. And then check out that lower diffuser. That looks cool. You do have film on it protecting it. It looks like it has a little bit of rash there. Lower side looks good. Very light rash there as well. Otherwise, this thing is really, really clean. All right, checking out this interior. Absolutely gorgeous. Have a nice matte finish to this panel. That is all absolutely perfect. You have carbon everywhere on this car. And it looks really, really good. Beautiful weave. You got a little scratch here, one right there. That film is just kind of bubbling on the edge. That's what that is. That bolster looks amazing. Same here. All of that's really clean. A little bit of wear just from sitting in the seat, but overall very, very nice. Steering wheel looks good. All this carbon is really nice. Seats are heated. If you look right here, you're gonna see some little scuffs there. Otherwise, this interior is in great condition. And then now that I'm in the car, if you look right here on the column, you do see some cracks. Looking at that panel, nice matte finish to it. All of it looks good. Carbon galore. You got carbon everywhere. Looks amazing. Here on the seat, little tiny frayed spot right here on that stitching. A little bit there. The rest of that looks good. All of that's clean. That looks good. Beautiful interior. Looking back here, got your charging stuff. All of that looks really, really nice. Underside's clean. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 3,456 miles on the odometer. If you see anything flickering here, that is just in camera, that is not in person. have some wind noise. Beautiful interior though. You definitely are going to hear some wind noise here. I got the door all the way shut and the windows up. It seems like that's just kind of how it is. Steering wheel's perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Brakes feel good. You can definitely hear that like kind of battery whine, which is really cool. Alignment is solid. Steering's perfectly straight. That's just barely getting on it. No issues with the drivability.